Hello, my name is Austin Harman, and welcome to my CS50 final project, Soulhunter. So Soulhunter I made in Unity. I wrote it in C#. I'll just play right here so you can kind of get an idea of what it's about. So you're just this person in the field. I imagine it in the woods, but there's no trees. You have some hearts, and you walk up to this creepy looking thing, and it starts a fight. So it'll just start attacking you using a lot of different methods. Sometimes you get that lag spike at the beginning. So you just kind of attack and you try to avoid like all the blood and all the bones that it throws at you. So you're just kind of trying to whittle it down while not getting hit. Pretty simple, but I put a lot of effort into some of the polish. It could be more polished, but that's the general idea. I'll die here and you can see what happens. The sound plays, the screen goes black and you just restart. And nothing too exciting happens if you kill it. It just ends the game pretty much. But you can see I use like a tile map for all these tiles. And then you have the entity and you have the script, which I have here. Here's the entity script. It uses animation states and transitions and animation events to control. Then you have the player script, which is here. It's pretty long, but I'm almost at the 2-minute mark, so I'm just gonna say I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I have anything interesting to say. So that's my project. Hope you enjoyed it.